Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered what exactly Jupyter Notebook is used for, you're in the right place. Whether you're a data science beginner, a Python enthusiast, or just curious about coding tools, this video will show you why Jupyter Notebook is one of the most powerful tools for programmers and data analysts today. So, grab your coffee and let's dive right in. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I share practical tutorials every week to help you level up your programming skills. So, what is Jupyter Notebook? Jupyter Notebook is an open-source interactive environment where you can write and run code, visualize data, and document your work all in one place. It's especially popular among data scientists, machine learning engineers, and researchers because it allows you to mix live code, text, images, and visualizations in a single document. Think of it like a digital notebook, but instead of writing only text, you can also run Python code directly inside it. You can write some code in one cell, add explanations in another cell using Markdown, and plot beautiful charts in the next cell. Everything happens right there, no switching between editors or terminals. Now, let's look at what people actually use Jupyter Notebook for. First, it's perfect for learning and teaching Python. If you're new to Python, Jupyter Notebook is one of the easiest ways to start. You can run your code line by line, see immediate results, and even document what each part of your code does. That's why many online courses and tutorials use Jupyter. It's great for interactive learning. Second, Jupyter is widely used for data cleaning and analysis. Using libraries like pandas and NumPy, you can load datasets, clean messy data, and explore trends. You can load a CSV file, remove missing values, and summarize it all inside your notebook. It's a great way to experiment and document your thought process. Third, Jupyter makes data visualization super easy. With libraries like Matplotlib, Seaborn, and Plotly, you can create line charts, bar graphs, and interactive plots right inside the notebook. You can go from raw data to beautiful charts in minutes. Fourth, it's used heavily in machine learning and AI. If you're working on machine learning projects, you can train models using libraries like scikit-learn, TensorFlow, or PyTorch and instantly visualize your results. You can test algorithms, tweak parameters, and track accuracy, all without leaving the notebook. Fifth, Jupyter is great for sharing and collaboration. You can export your notebook as a PDF, HTML, or even a Python script. Plus, with tools like Google Colab, you can run Jupyter Notebooks right in your browser with no installation needed. Your teammates or students can see your code, notes, and results all together, perfect for teamwork and learning. You can run Jupyter locally using Anaconda or Jupyter Lab, or use online options like Google Colab, Cargo Notebooks, or even cloud platforms like AWS and Azure. To wrap it up, Jupyter Notebook is used for learning and teaching programming, data analysis and visualization, machine learning and AI experiments, and sharing reproducible code and results. It's not just a coding tool, it's a thinking environment for anyone who works with data or code. If you haven't tried it yet, check the video description to install Jupyter step by step today and start exploring. And if you want me to show you how to analyze data with pandas with Jupyter Notebook, just type Jupyter in the comments. I'll make a quick tutorial for that next. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone learning Python or data science. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.